Hey guys, one of the main problems with mesh networks at the moment is they are notoriously difficult to set up and you need quite a lot of knowledge in computers. We want to try and lessen that barrier to entry such that nearly anybody can set one up. That involves two goals: the configuration of the hardware. You can see here basically an ARM embedded router, you'll have to excuse my handwriting, which at the moment is a lesser goal as compared with the software. We want to provide it such that the software is pre-flashed on the hardware should we go that route, but also available as a system image so that people can flash their own hardware. Three goals within that: to configure the UCI, which has already been done. That took about an hour and gets the three nodes already in a mesh. We're using OpenWRT, I should have mentioned earlier, thanks to the suggestion of one of our followers. The allocation of addresses, which we'll go into in a second, and the web administration panel. Now, for the allocation of addresses, there are two main alternatives: static addressing and dynamic addressing, neither of which are ideal. Static addressing requires more knowledge than we want our user to have to be able to set one of these up, and using DHCP introduces a single point of failure, which defeats the point of a meshnet in the first place. So we've designed our own protocol, which we're currently implementing. Far from ideal, but it's only a prototype, wherein if we've got an active DHCP server, say this node, it will transmit all the information required to all the other nodes on the network here, such that if this then fails or gets shut down or whatever, one of these other nodes can then take over as the active DHCP server. The web administration panel is what web administration panel do. Provides the option to change the SSID for the mesh, firewall options, etc., etc. Thanks very much.